11th Manipur State Film Award 20 at MSF yesterday. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar assures of state film policy in near future. Secretary of Women Action for Development Sobita Mangsatabam expresses apprehension at slow-paced criminal justice delivery system in the wake of rising crime against women. And All India Trade Union Congress Manipur's one-day convention discusses on plights facing workers at Irawat Bhavan today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the latest updates. First up, the 11th Manipur State Film Award 2018 ceremony was held at MSF Diaz Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the event, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has assured that a gadget notification on film policy of the state will be out as soon as it is approved in the upcoming cabinet meeting. He also disclosed that notification to recruit teachers for Manipur State Films and Television Institute will be out soon. Altogether, 29 awards including Best Feature Film, Non-Feature Film, Best Writing in Manipuri Cinema, and MSF Diaz Lifetime Achievement Award were presented on the occasion. Inakta Leiringai, produced by Anil Longjam, bagged the Best Feature Film Award, and director of the film Manoranjan Longjam was accorded the Best Direction Award. Theatre of the Art, produced by Film Division Mumbai and directed by Oinam Dorin, bagged the Best Non-Feature Film Award, and the Best Film Critic Award went to Yambem Tombi Debi. R.K. Kaiku, who played Kaba, and Soma Laishram, who played Thoinu in Inakta Leiringai, won the Best Actor and Best Actresses Award in the Feature Film section, and Lifetime Achievement Award was accorded to Kangabam Tomba.
Mamangi perachangda khoi isi mapi mapa panda bodong laram basum tokai myam na pulap smai tok dana chen khochen manana khoi chen naragadi masigi horami makli jaga sing mengkhat pangang maning khali badu. Of course, it is time-consuming process. Matam sangani changwa heavier. Kutak te tamok tongni, kutak te tamok tongni lok to panai vise. Mas it is so ridiculous and it is so childish also. Ko ini tawung ngamando makal podama. Ako nek lak po kaya kutak to torni na haido ise. Ayung mot di mado angaw punya ngam se wakal lengkali. Ado maduna ta plan to pam changi adu ka koi hona pam changi adu ka madu toro matung da lai makal process so madu matung na koi to a base level kitang thuna hona ba do koi hona matung da di hojik tam lai makal ki progress ng se mase koi hona ro mayam ti mahili and the whole credit goes to the people of Manipur.
Minister Thaunajam Shyam Kumar has assured that imported rice will be used in manufacturing liquor if liquor is ever licensed in the state. He was speaking in the inaugural of a newly constructed building of Hainopok Primary School under Sarva Siksha Abhiyan SSA at Hainopok in Andhra constituency today. Appealing for public support, Shyam Kumar maintained that rice required for liquor production will be procured from other Southeast Asian countries. The minister also assured that he is keeping aside 2 crore rupees from MLA Local Area Development Fund for the sole purpose of upgrading education system in Andhra constituency. Shyam Kumar announced that Andhra Festival will be launched in near future. The minister also laid a foundation stone for construction of a local club after the inaugural event.
Burma da sungma yung akoy sa Andhra yung salay bine. Adagi China sungma yung Andhra yung salay bine. Adagi Guwahati da sungma yung Andhra yung salay. Dimapur da sungma Andhra yung salay. Akoy dry state na usi Andhra da yung angsi an Manipur da lupa kro sama yung lagi yung angsi pangye. Si dry state na hay bisi. Akoy yung sa yung may yadri ni batingis. Akoy na Andhra sa may da so sung de yung si. Ano mo method photo si sing dagi yung di sungoy duri ne. Peuk dagi yung sung ne. Adagi hay dagi yung sung ne. Kiwom dagi sung ne. Komna dagi sung ne. Adagi mo Sing Java South Asia gi lebak myam da sing matik sing apa khalo matik myam mai ni sing myam si odro kilo de pa ahum de porsi o de patai o duine ma mi na saba di yadra ba yu thong de yang kana ba yu do Asia le matik khoma kana pura ka da yu si thong duri ne ba.
Secretary of Women Action for Development WAD Sobita Mangsatabam has expressed concerns at the slow-paced criminal justice delivery system in the wake of rising crimes against women in the state. She was speaking during a one-day consultation program on 16 days of activism against gender-based violence held on the theme Crime Against Women and Children at Manipur Press Club today. Sobita mentioned that 413 women were reported dead and missing reports, while altogether 2,583 cases of rape, attempt to rape, molestation, suspected murder, burnt, etc. were reported during 2005 to November 2018. She lamented that conviction rates of such crimes is only 1%. She also appealed to fill in the vacant post of State Prosecutor Director and to maintain a proper forensic science lab in the state. Victims and their families shared testimonies on the occasion.
Asumba lambida chalo case report tau case paisa ne asanaganu justice to thuna phangnaba koi hotnamina si haina lambi takpase koi da chatpa matamda karigi WAD da tai no wanted laukthokramni noi madam do some officer kharana hai ko moi di danger ni government pu yam thina chaibani haiba adugumba phajadaba wahai wata mayam ma koi taba phangjai hairaga su akoi ninghanaba leitana tawsu tawgigani lausu laugani any soirakpa matamda akoina tumina leithoi soiraiba mi do natraga officer do adu akoina adum karingkanda maming matha panthorakpa naming seming tawroi hainingai su kaisu leite.
All India Trade Union Congress Manipur organized a one-day convention for the union's Imphal City District Committee to discuss on grievances facing workers at Irawat Bhavan today. Speaking on the convention attended by many unorganized workers, General Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress Manipur State Unit, Laishram Satin Kumar, lamented that daily wage earners and employees of various shops and establishments in the state are not getting minimum daily wage as approved by the Wage Board. He expressed concern that the state government is not taking appropriate measures regarding the same. He alleged Prime Minister Narendra Modi led government of privatizing various public sector undertakings including banks and telecom companies, giving immense grievances to the workers. He intimated that various central trade unions have called a general strike against the same on January 8 and 9 next year. Satin Kumar stated that the general strikes will also be enforced in the state. He declared to bring down BJP in the upcoming MP election.
Khwairaman Bazar manungda tongan dukan singda salesman mayam lari sings moi lising gi mathakta lei bazar saida mogi problem mayam singse khoi na hojik Wage Board haidana maduda khoi AITC gi maike dagi yobsi manungda mogi thagi kusuman ji lep khare madu ngasi phawda yam thina sovereign establishment da thabak toriba adum karmachari sinmi singse masi yam thina mogi kusuman Wage Board na lepado madu phangdaba mayam yaurieba Nongmajing suti oigadabni haise dukan kayama madudan haktang potha jagadaba salesman kya sojik suti oidabagi problem kaya mayoknareba masi achobi issue maneba.
Imphal Municipal Corporation opposition party has clarified that their official and cooperators in the IMC have no hands in misappropriation of revenue collected from IMC parkings as reported on media yesterday. Speaking to media at IMC opposition leader office today, opposition leader Tarangbam Indrajit stated that mistrust will creep in the minds of the public towards the IMC due to the media report on misappropriation of 70 lakhs 5,230 rupees by IMC authority. Indrajit assured that the opposition party will raise the issue in the House so that befitting action may be taken against the IMC authority if the allegation is found to be true.
Imphal Municipal Corporation ki makha leba parking issue sing khoi tha mari manga gi mamangda opposition party amasung opposition saminari ba khoi cooperators singa loinana parking sports da chatlaga hairiba parking sing ado bidit loiba chanaba yadraba parking sing ha bese akhoi yana mangjona pajam yan thonja kharbani Imphal Municipal Corporation gi dumba kabisna da khoi chi ma thaje hairiba chi asi koi cooperator tra taruna sign tawraga thajabani aduda koi thami point di please furnish number of existing parking slots, respective parking agents of the parking slot, and detail mali revenue tax fee deposited to the Ifan Municipal Corporation as on today. Haiba asina ahan point oiraga akoi thagi basi numit tari ri manung de pibiu haibani. Haiba numit tari ni asigi koi November ki tang tara taruk da thagi basi ase ngasi phawba koi response phangde.
5 drug peddlers arrested by combined team under the supervision of SP Kakching, led by Additional SP Operation N. Indrajit and OC of CDO Kakching Unit N. Tikendrajit in possession of contraband drugs and heroin number 4 on December 2nd were produced before Special Judge NDPS Thobal Court yesterday. The miscreant identified as Hadnai Thang from More Ward number 2, Basi Tau Thang and Hoinei Jong Tau Thang from Palel Jiang Veng, Hoining Hing Tau Thang and Kaija Kham Baite from Ward number 1 were sent to jail on judicial remand by the court. Manipur State Legal Service Authority has organized the commendation ceremony of the High Court of Manipur at MSLSA office in the High Court complex today. Imphal East District Legal Service Authority backed the Best District Legal Service Authority DLSA 2018 and Best Panel Lawyer was accorded to Panel Lawyer N. Modhu of Thobal District Legal Service Authority, and Best Para-Legal Volunteer was conferred upon PLV I. Priyokumar of Chanam Sandrok Legal Aid Clinic in Imphal East on the occasion. District Legal Service Authority Thobal organized a National Lok Adalat at Thobal Court Complex yesterday. 3 different bench of District and Session Judge T.H. Simon, Family Court Thobal Judge Salam Imocha and Judicial Magistrate First Class Y. Sharda settled a total of 56 bank, civil and revenue related cases and a total revenue of 5,77,320 rupees was recovered during the Lok Adalat. Proscribed Group Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release has extended solidarity to the total shutdown called by Proscribed Group People's War Group Marxist Center KCP from the midnight of December 16 till the midnight of December 18 against the government. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the concluding day of Arogya Fair 2018. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Arogya Fair 2018, organized by the Directorate of Ayush, State Medicinal Plant Board and State Ayush Society, Manipur, under the Ministry of Ayush as City Convention in Palace Compound since December 6, concluded today. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar appealed to staffs and workers of the Directorate of Ayush to work for fulfilling the promises made by Union Minister and Chief Minister during the opening ceremony of the fair ahead of Lok Sabha election code of conduct. The minister mentioned that efforts will be made to organize the fair next year as well. Yoga troupes from across the state showcased their performances at the closing ceremony.
Around the moon, scenery of poppy plantation, the ganja thadana, lady Makali ganja plantation. Simam, Simsimasi, Kaktanura Vanina, Pampi Thava, the Changu River, Matam, Amasun, Maduri labor period, Maclination, Amasun Madadi Funk Pashadana, livelihood with the Makali farmers in the Maduri, Kalatabayata Vanina, Modi, the habilitate of no Makali spot of propaganda. We need to find certain other solutions. Madugin Habaki project proposal, Yamtuna, Sarah Takano, and I was saying, Masi, who talked to me after the high.
Workers of Kalachetra, Manipur, Langol, Laimanai, Lamphel expressed grief upon the untimely demise of Sapam Brojan on December 7th. Brojan, as an artist, took great role in Kalachetra, Manipur. Artists from the state and across the world who are participating in the ongoing National Theatre Research Residential Workshop 2018 also paid a tribute by observing a 2-minute silence. A seminar on sustainable orange production was organized on the second day of the 15th State-Level Orange Festival 2018 at Tamelong Indoor Stadium today. Resource persons gave insights on cultural practice for production of Tamelong orange, soil management for sustainable production of Tamelong, plant production sustainable production of Tamelong orange, post-harvest management with special reference to orange, organic certification and value chain, the vital role of media and market linkage of orange in global market role of NABARD and rural development with special reference to horticulture during the seminar held in 2 sessions. An interaction and discussion program were also held on the occasion. An association named Lilong Development Forum (LDF) was formed today with an aim to raise concerns of residents of Lilong constituency in Thoubal district. Speaking in the event held at the conference hall of M.N. Born Baker in Lilong Market today, Forum Publicity Secretary Raja Thongkhong Mayum stated that the forum was established to raise the grievances facing the residents of Lilong, which is still underdeveloped in every aspect despite being not far away from the Imphal city. Forum President Mohammad Naeem Khan urged everyone to support the undertakings of Lilong Development Forum for developing the constituency. Cherai Khudol accorded a warm welcome to Oliver Moirangthem, who backed the Asian Inspiration Award 2018 at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, Oliver stated that he took part in the 2nd South Asian Youth Summit held in Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, from November 28 to 30 as a part of the Indian team. Oliver drew the attention of the government to his plights in attending the summit without any sponsorship.
Handaki team jekari wai hamatamda South Asian Youth Summit haire creating a sustainable future in the fractured South Asian nation sai baneba akoi South Asian nation je akoi anamana lairba lamjing oiba India Myanmar Bangladesh Nepal lairba lamjing je fractured oiraba sing je akoi nahajing gi mifam odumaina pangthoga nahna kari kari tawba yabage akoi lam lamduda kari kari awat apa kari kari awana thingna gi do akoina mayamna khoi je khanare khanaba loire kanda akoina last Colombo Youth Declaration and akoina last akoi declaration ama akoina phonge lari am phonge.
Applications are invited for new dealership of Indian Oil Corporation (IOC) petrol pumps at www.petroldelarcharian.in till December 24th. Speaking to media at IOC Imphal office BT Road, Deputy General Manager Iboton Singh stated that interested individuals can apply for dealership for 84 new IOC retail outlets to be set up different districts of Manipur. He assured of transparency in the selection process and requested interested individuals to process the online application with necessary documents.
Aduga ko online apply to si gi mamangda registration to bom changi ko website to ay amtang hajerake www.petrolpumpdealersayan.in haiba website sida ko potential applicant na ma login to biraga register to bom changi atumara register to motamda pen card si mandatory oy maramdi ko location amada mi amakhagna amuk amakhatang thaba jani ani thaba jaroi aduna pen card si mandatory oiramnina akogi mana anirak hanna changi asu system no automatically online system ni industry weba website ni aduna automatically system na bar to ni.
Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur in a press release informed that Kabui Salang Maiba Memorial event will be held on December 22nd on the theme Kabui Salang Maiba Amasung Kabui Jati at Kuki in Imphal. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 11th Manipur State Film Awards 2018 held at MSFDS today. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar assures of state film policy in near future. Secretary of Women Action for Development Sobita Mangsatabam expresses apprehension at slow-paced criminal justice delivery system in the wake of rising crime against women. And All India Trade Union Congress Manipur's one-day convention discusses on plights facing workers at Irawat Bhavan today.